Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your TikTok account with only using your username. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on Chrome, Safari, all right, or it could be Brave, Firefox, whatever it is that is available in your phone. Now in here, go to the URL box. Now type in tiktok.com/legal, all right, /report/feedback. All right, hit on enter or hit on the find button on your keyboard. Now in here, select a topic, for example, general account inquiry, category, login issue, or recover account. And go ahead and type down your username. All right, make sure that you remember your username, for example, made for money, like that. And then additional information, as you can see here, it needs an email, but don't worry, this email right here that you would put is the secondary email that you have, where TikTok support can go ahead and reach out to you. All right, again, this email right here will be used to contact you. Okay, just type down a secondary email that you have. And once done, additional details right here, just type in "Good day, support team. I cannot log in to my account. I've lost my phone and can't access my email." All right. And then from here, you can go ahead and add in the details about your particular account. For example, my username is made for money, account created. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in the exact date. For example, May 21st, 2020, like so, and add as much details as you can. All right. So that it will be easy for TikTok support to locate your account and give you the credentials. Okay. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and upload a screenshot of that particular account if you do have one. And once done, just go ahead and go to the bottom and tap on both tick boxes. All right. And just hit on submit. Basically wait for about 24 to 48 hours for them to get back to you. And rest assured that your account will be recovered. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.